Ciao and welcome back to the series about Italian verbs, where you can learn the conjugation, pronunciation, and practical examples of the most important Italian verbs. I'm Beata from the Proficiency Consultant's Italian language series. Join me to learn and let's get started. Today we will learn the verb viaggiare, which means to travel. It's a regular verb from the are group. Let's go through the conjugation in the present tense. Repeat after me. Io viaggio. Tu viaggi. Lui viaggia. Lei viaggia. Noi viaggiamo. Voi viaggiate. Loro viaggiano. Now, let's look at some simple and useful examples. Repeat after me. Io viaggio spesso. Tu viaggi per lavoro? Lei viaggia in Italia. Noi viaggiamo insieme. Voi viaggiate molto. Loro viaggiano durante l'estate. Viaggiare is perfect for talking about holidays, work trips, and life experience. Now it's your turn. Try a sentence like Io viaggio in Italia ogni anno. Share your example in the comments below. And that's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to conjugate and use viaggiare in everyday conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and visit my blog for more Italian language tips. Stay tuned for the next video about the Italian verb series. Ciao!